In this figure, we have a pentagon because it has 5 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And you have to find the value of x. If you find this value of x, then you'll get for this x also, because both are the same. Now, let's first mark the vertices. Let this be A, this B, this be C, this be D, and this be E. Okay. Now, this is 70 degree, right? Therefore, tell me what will be the value of this angle. This angle plus this angle forms a linear pair. 70 plus this angle, let's name it y. So 70 degree plus y degree plus y is equal to 180 degrees. Why? Because it's a linear pair, right? So from here you can find the value of y, that is 110 degrees, right? Next, let's find out the value of this. Let's name it z. So what's the value of z? Z plus 60 degrees is equal to 180 degrees, and if you solve it, you get z as 120 degrees. Same, because it's a linear pair. Now we know that the sum of the internal angles of the pentagon is equal to 540 degrees. So it means, starting from here, let's start from here, y plus x plus 30 degrees plus x plus z is equal to 540 degrees. We know the value of y, that is 110 degrees, plus we don't know the value of x. Now since we have this x here and this x here, so this becomes 2x plus 30 degrees, and then the value of z is 120 degrees. So this is equal to 540 degrees. 2x plus 110 degree plus 30 degrees 140 degree plus 120 degrees 260 degrees. 260 degrees is equal to 540 degrees, right? Now this 2x is equal to 540 degrees minus 260 degrees, and this becomes 2x is equal to 280 degrees. From here you get x is equal to 140 degrees. Now this is 140 degrees and this is also 140 degrees. If you want to cross check it, then you can add, and the sum of the internal angles should be equal to 540 degrees. So y is 110 degree plus 140 degree is 250 degree plus 30 degree is 280 degree plus 140 degree is 420 degree and plus 120 degree is 540 degrees. Here you have a regular pentagon because this sign shows that all the sides are actually equal, right? So if you name the vertices A, B, C, D, and E, right? This is a regular pentagon whose all the sides are equal and whose all the angles are equal. All are x. So since the sum of the internal angles of the pentagon is 540 degree, therefore if you add all these x, that is x plus x plus x plus x plus x, is equal to 540 degrees. This is 5x is equal to 540 degrees, and if you solve it, x comes 108 degrees. So each x is 108 degrees, and this is like, for a regular pentagon, the internal angles are at 108 degree. So we have a triangle here, and these are the extended portions These are the extended portions of the sides or the edges of this triangle. Okay, so what's given here? This is what? This sign shows that, sign or symbol shows that it is actually at 90 degrees. So this is 90 degrees, this is 30 degrees. And you have to find, in this case, you have to find x plus y plus z. You have to tell this. Now, let's name the vertices. Let this be A, this be B, and this be C. So this is 90 degrees, this is 30 degrees. So tell me what will be this internal angle, this one, that is angle ACB. Now angle ACB will be equal to 180 degrees minus this 90 degrees plus 30 degrees, that is 120 degrees. And why? Because the sum of the internal angles of the triangle is equal to 180 degrees. So 180 degree minus 120 degree will give you this angle. That is angle ACB is equal to 60 degrees. So this angle is 60 degrees. Now let's look at first at this x. X plus 90 degrees will be equal to 180 degrees. Why? Because linear pair. So from this you get x is equal to 90 degrees. Then your y plus 60 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Same, these two angles form a linear pair. So y is equal to 180 degrees minus 60 degrees is equal to 120 degrees. Okay, then you have this z. So z plus 30 degrees is equal to 180 degrees linear pair. So z comes as 150 degrees. So now we have z, we have y, and we have x. X plus y is 90 plus 120, so 210 degrees. Then plus z is 150 degrees, that is 360 degrees. 360 degrees. In fact, in our next video tutorial, we are going to discuss this particular thing. That is, if we look at this equation, that is x plus y plus z is equal to 360 degrees. X is this external angle of the vertex B, y is the external angle of this vertex Z, and y is the external angle of the vertex C, and z is the external angle of the vertex A. So the sum of the external angles for a given polygon will be equal to 360 degrees. This we are going to discuss in our next video tutorial. So see you there.